How to find someone on Twitter by phone number. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about finding someone using their phone number on X application or a Twitter application. First of all, you need to go ahead and install the Twitter application of its latest version. Go ahead and launch the application, log into your account, and once you're in the homepage, tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen. Go to Settings and Support, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and tap on Privacy and Safety. Now, again, tap on Discoverability and Contacts. That is just below the Spaces option under your X activity. You will see the option of Contacts that is under Discoverability. Make sure that it is toggled on. And also make sure that you sync the address book contacts. Toggle the switches on. And in the case if you want to remove all contacts, tap on Remove All Contacts that is highlighted in red color. Tap on Remove again to confirm and you'll be done. So that's it with this video. This is how you can go ahead and find someone on Twitter by phone number. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.